Class 10th, Chapter 3, Linear Equation in Two Variables, Exercise 3.5. We have done question number 1. In that question, fourth part was your homework. I hope you all have done your homework. Now, we will start question number 2. What is question number 2? So, let us read what is question number 2. For which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have infinite many solutions? So, we have to find the value of a and b, so that when we substitute the value of a and b in the equation 2, we'll get the pair of linear equation have many solutions. Okay, so first we have to write what was the relation for infinite many solutions. What was the relation? That the ratio of coefficients of x and the ratio of coefficient of y and the ratio of the constant all are equal. So I am taking this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. From here, first write a1 is 2, a2 is a minus b, b1 is 3, b2 is a plus b, c1 is 7 and c2 is 3a plus b minus 2. Okay. So now write the terms. a1 is 2, a2 is a minus b is equals to b1 is 3, b2 is a plus b is equals to c1 is 7, c2 is 3a plus b minus 2, 3a plus b minus 2. Now we'll take two terms separately. We'll compare these two and these two. So now we'll say that 2 upon a minus b is equals to 3 upon a plus b. From this we'll form one equation. Shift this to that side. Cross multiply. A plus b will multiply with 2 and 3 will multiply a minus b. Now 2a plus 2b, 2 will multiply with both of the terms and here 3 will multiply with both of the terms, so it will become 3a minus 3b. Now take all the terms to LHS. 2a minus 3a plus 2b plus 3b is equals to 0. So from here we will get that minus a plus 5b is equals to 0. Now from here what I am doing, I am taking minus common. So this will become a minus 5b is equals to 0, which implies that a minus 5b will be equals to 0, because when minus sign will shift to RHS it will become 0. So this is our equation number 1. Now compare these two. We are comparing these two. Compare them. This is 3 upon a plus b is equals to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Again cross multiply. So 3 will multiply with 3a plus b minus 2 and 7 will multiply with a plus b. Okay, now solve. 3 will multiply with all the three terms. 3 3s are 9a, 3b's are 3b, 3 2s are minus 6 is equals to 7a are 7 plus 7b. Now shift all the terms to LHS. 9a minus 7a plus 3b minus 7b, because 7a here is positive. When it will go to LHS it will become negative. 7b also positive. Shift there, negative, minus 6 is equals to 0. Now solve this. You'll get 9a minus 7a is 2a, 3b minus 7b, plus minus minus and sign of greater number is this, that is why it will be minus 4b minus 6 is equals to 0. Equation number 2. Now subtracting equation number 1 from 2. Subtracting equation. So in this, first let me write is we'll not subtract first, we'll write the equations here first. 2a minus 4b minus 6 is equals to 0. We got two equations. Now we have to solve these two equations either by using elimination method or substitution method, whichever method wish to. I am using elimination method. So for elimination method, first we have to make two variables same. So I want to make this a same. Here it is 2a. To make this 2, we have to multiply 2 in the full equation. So you will get 2a minus 10b is equals to 0, and here it is 2a minus 4b minus 6 is equals to 0. Now subtract this, the sign will change. Here also sign will change. Cancelled. Plus minus minus, so minus 6b plus 6 is equals to 0. So we got the value 6b plus 6 is equals to 0. Now we'll proceed further on the next page. So here it is minus 6b. Now shift this 6 to RHS. So this is positive, that side it will become negative. So b will be equals to minus 6 upon minus 6. Minus minus cancel and 6 also cancel. The value of b is 1. Now we have to find the value of a. So put value of a, b in equation 1. What was equation number 1? So equation number 1 was a minus 5b is equals to 0. Now we will put the value of b. So a minus 5 into 1 is equals to 0. It implies that a will be equals to 5. So we get the value of a and b. So for a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 1, the pair of linear equation will have infinite many solution. Okay, in this way we have to solve this. Now next question, that is question number second part. Question number 2. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? Now we want no solution. So first write what is the condition for no solution, that a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2. Now so we have to compare these two. So first I am writing here what is your a1 3, what is your a2, thus the coefficient of x 2k minus 1, what is your b1 1 and b2 is k minus 1, this, and c1 is 1 and c2 is 2k plus 1. So write the values here. 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equals to b1 is 1 upon k minus 1 not equals to 1 upon 2k plus 1. So we can compare only these two because these two are equal. So by taking them, we'll compare 2k minus 1 is equals to 1 upon k minus 1. Cross multiply. 3 will multiply with k minus 1 is equals to 2k minus 1. So this will become 3k minus 3 is equals to 2k minus 1. Now shift variables to one side and constants to other side. So 2k minus plus 3k is equals to 3 minus 1. 2k plus minus 2k plus 3k means plus minus minus, and sign of greater number is 3. That means it will be positive k is equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. The value of k is 2. So we'll write for k is equals to 2, the following pair of linear equation have no solution. In this way, we'll solve this question. Now we'll proceed to the next question, that is question number 3. Next question is, solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution and cross multiplication method. So we have to solve these two pair of linear equations by both, first by substitution and then by cross multiplication method. So start solving. Now, let's write the equation 8x plus 5y is equals to 9. 3x plus 2y is equals to 4. Mark this as equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. So first, what do we have to do in the substitution method? We are solving by substitution method. Right? What do we have to do in the substitution method? We have to use one equation to find the value of one variable. So by equation 2, we'll find the value of x. So it will become 3x is equals to, when 2y will shift to RHS, it will be negative 2y. And here 3 is in multiplication. When it will send to RHS, that will go in the division, 4 minus 2y upon 3. So this is the value of x. Now put value of x in equation 1. Now in place of x, I will write this value. So this is 8. 4 minus 2y upon 3 plus 5y is equals to 9. Right? Now solve. 8 will multiply with both the terms. So it will become 9. 8 4s are 32 minus 8 2s are 16y upon 3 plus 5y is equals to 9. Here it is 1. So first we have to take the LCM. So 32 minus 16y, because 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 multiply with this number will be 32 minus 6y only. Now 1 divided by 3 will be, 1 divided by 3 is 3. And 3 multiply by 5 will become 15y is equals to 9. 3 here is in division. Then when will it go in the RHS? It will be in multiplication. Solve this. 32 plus minus minus, and sign is of minus, y is equals to 3 into 9. Minus y will be equals to 27 minus 32. So minus y will be equals to minus 5, and minus minus got cancelled. So the value of y is 5. Now we have to put this value of y in x. So x is equals to 4 minus, what is the value of y? 5 upon 3. So x will be equals to 4 minus 10 upon 3. So plus minus minus, and sign is of greater number. So 4 minus 10 is minus 6 upon 3. Cancel it, we will get minus 2. The value of x is minus 2. In this way, we find the value of x and y by substitution method. Now we have to use cross multiplication method. Now by cross multiplication method, we have to solve them. So for cross multiplication method, what do we do? First, we have to write the equation in the standard form. So what is standard form? We will shift all the terms to LHS. It will become 8x plus 5y minus 9 is equals to 0. And here 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0. Now what was the formula for cross multiplication method? X upon BC y upon CA minus CA, and 1 upon AB minus AB. What was now? 12, 21, 12, 21, 12, 21. Right? So x upon, what is your B1? B1 is 5 and C2 is minus 4. B1 into 4 into minus 4 into 5 minus what is your B2? 2 and C1 is minus 9 is equals to y upon what is CA? C1 is minus 9 and A2 is 3 minus C2 is minus 4 and A1 is 8 is equals to 1 upon A1 is 8 into 2 minus 3 into 5. Solve now. Plus minus minus 4 5s are 20 minus 20 and minus minus plus, so plus 18 is equals to y upon plus minus minus multiply करेंगे तो minus 27 minus minus plus 32 is equals to 1 upon 16 minus 15. So this will become x upon plus minus minus sign of greater number 20 minus 18 is 2. So minus 2 is equals to y is equals to plus minus minus sign of greater number is positive. So this is equals to 1 upon 1. 16 minus 15 is 1. Now we have to compare each variable is the constant. So we'll compare this is equals to 1 upon 1 and y upon 5 is equals to 1 upon 1. So the value of x is minus 2 and value of y is 5. So in this way we have find the value of x and y by cross multiplication method. Now next question, that is question number 4, we'll do in our next video.